Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today's topic is conjunctions. As you all know, conjunctions is a part of parts of speech. It is one out of the 8 parts of speech and its work is to join two things. That can be words, that can be phrases, that can be sentences. Okay, so any word that joins two or more than two words, sentences or phrases is called a कंजंक्शन. कंजंक्शन वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो दो वर्ड्स को, दो फ्रेजेस को या दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो जो भी ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? कंजंक्शंस कहते हैं. नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर कंजंक्शंस, आई होप आप सबको समझ में आ गया दैट व्हाट आर कंजंक्शंस. कंजंक्शंस को और डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए दे हैव बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. ठीक है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सी व्हाट दोस 3 पार्ट्स आर. First one is coordinating. Second one is correlative. Coordinating, correlative and subordinating. It's a very small topic. If you pay attention, it's a very easy topic also. Now what we have understood that a word that joins word, phrases or sentences is called conjunctions, and conjunctions are of 3 types: coordinative, correlative and subordinative. Okay. Now we need to understand what these are basically. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे coordinative. Coordinative conjunctions वो होते हैं जो same type of grammaticals को join करते हैं. ठीक है, same types of grammatical units. Any conjunction that joins same type of grammatical units. For example, any word that joins two similar types of, or say not similar also, same types of grammatical units is called a coordinating conjunction. For example, अगर कोई भी noun को noun से, noun to noun or adjective to adjective or pronoun to pronoun, अगर ऐसे कोई भी join कर रहे, जैसे राम and Shyam go to school by bus. ठीक है, Ram and Shyam go to school by bus. Now the conjunction here is and, because it is joining two words Ram and Shyam. This is a coordinating conjunction क्योंकि Ram भी noun है और Shyam भी noun है. ठीक है, अगर ये I हो जाता, राम एंड आई गो टू स्कूल बाय बस, तो फिर ये कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन नहीं होता क्योंकि राम नाउन है एंड आई इज अ प्रोनाउन. ठीक है, तो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस आर दोस कंजंक्शंस व्हिच जॉइन द सेम टाइप ऑफ ग्रामेटिकल यूनिट्स. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. विल टेक अ फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स. We took an and example, we'll take another. Riya is short, but Sia is tall. Riya is short, but Sia is tall. Now it is joining these two sentences. Riya is short and Sia is tall. The word which is joining is but. ठीक है, अब बट क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पर, रिया और सिया के बारे में ज्वाइन कर रहा है. अगर आप शॉर्ट और टॉल की भी बात करोगे तो बोथ ऑफ दीज आर एडजेक्टिव्स. तो दिस बट इज जॉइनिंग दीज टू एडजेक्टिव्स, means it is a coordinating one. Even if you take Riya and Sia, both are nouns. So when you are joining this both, so these both are nouns. That is why it is also again a coordinative conjunction. Okay. Another example which we can take is I like Chirag because he is smart. ठीक है, I like Chirag because he is smart. Now what is happening is that I and he both are pronouns, and because is the conjunction which is joining both the sentences. So because is again a coordinating conjunction. Any conjunction that joins two same types of grammatical units is called a coordinating conjunction. Because is a coordinating conjunction here, but somewhere it might not be. ठीक है, because जो है वो यहाँ पे coordinating conjunction की तरह काम कर रहा है, लेकिन there might be a sentence जहाँ पे ये ऐसे काम नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, generally it will always work at that only, but in a very rare case scenario it can happen. That will not be there at your level. When you grow up, maybe you'll have to see some examples like that. Okay, so coordinating conjunction is clear to all of you. Next is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which always come in pairs, जो हमेशा pairs के अंदर ही आते हैं. ठीक है, they are always used in pairs. Correlative conjunctions. For example, either Ram or Shyam will come. या तो राम आएगा या श्याम आएगा. Ram and Shyam are joined by or, but this or will always have this either to make this sense. ये सेंस देने के लिए हमारे पास ईदर भी चाहिए हमको. तो ईदर के साथ हमेशा और आता है. एंड अनदर वन इज नीदर नॉर. ठीक है, ईदर और नीदर नॉर, ये सारे ऐसे conjunction है. These are those kind of conjunctions which always come in pairs. They always come in pairs. So those conjunctions which always come in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. ठीक है, वो sentence है, वो conjunctions जो हमेशा pairs में work करते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, correlative conjunctions. I hope this is also clear to all of you. The last type of conjunction is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are basically those conjunctions which join a phrase and a sentence. ठीक है, जो conjunctions किसी भी दो phrase को या sentences को join करते हैं, ठीक है, they are called subordinating conjunctions. Supposingly we take the first sentence, she came sooner than she promised. ठीक है, इसके अंदर क्या है, हम दो सेंटेंसेस ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. she came sooner and she promised, वो जल्दी आई और उसने प्रॉमिस किया था. तो बोथ आर इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंसेस, तो दे आर फ्रेजेस और क्लॉजेस. ठीक है, दोनों या तो फ्रेज है या क्लॉज है, क्योंकि कंप्लीट सेंटेंस तो नहीं है. इन दोनों को जोड़ने का जो वर्ड काम करेगा, द वर्ड विच इज जॉइनिंग बोथ दीज फ्रेजेस और क्लॉजेस इज देन. ठीक है, is then. So this is subordinating conjunction. When a word or when a conjunction is used to join two phrases or clauses or sentences, it is called as subordinating conjunction. Okay? Then stay here till I come back. Stay here, one command, I come back. Two sentences are there, two phrases are there. To join them, we are using the word till. Okay? So this is a subordinating conjunction. Ravi gets punished although Rahul does the mischief. Punishment किसको मिल रहा है? Ravi को. Ravi gets punished although Rahul does the mischief. गलती कौन कर रहा है? राहुल कर रहा है. तो this is one phrase and one clause and this is one clause. Ravi gets punished. ये एक clause है, subject है, object है, verb है, but it is not giving a complete meaning. ठीक है? राहुल डज द मिसचीफ, सेम थिंग, क्लॉज है. इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने का, द वर्ड विच इज ज्वाइनिंग दिस इज ऑल्दो. सो ऑल्दो इज अ conjunction, and because it is joining two clauses, this is a subordinating conjunction. Okay, I hope all of this is clear to you. We'll just revise this on a short note. Conjunctions are those words which join two or more than two words, phrases or sentences. Conjunctions are basically divided into three types. The three types are coordinating, correlative and subordinating. Coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which join two same types of grammatical units. Correlative are those conjunctions which generally come in pairs, and subordinating are those which join two phrases or clauses to make complex sentences. Okay, so these are the three types of these are the three types of conjunctions. Generally, the coordinating conjunctions are still, yet, and, far, but, so, all these things. Correlative are either or. Subordinating are although, if, though, till, then, as, because. Because can come in coordinating also and subordinating also. So these kind of words are conjunctions and they are divided in these three types. I hope all of this was clear to all of you and all of you have understood what conjunctions are. Keep reading so that you can understand it on a better manner. Thank you.